In this video, I will show you how to withdraw from Crypto.com to an external wallet. To do this, go and open up Crypto.com and click on Accounts in the bottom. Now here, just open up the cryptocurrency that you want to send to a different wallet. For example, I'll do my Bitcoin right here. And then what you want to do here under Balance is click on Withdraw. Then from the options, select External Wallet. Now here you can connect the external wallet by clicking on the plus in the top right, then selecting wallet address. Then here paste in the wallet address and make sure the network is set to BTC. Then select if you are the owner of this wallet address. If it's someone else, enter their details. For the wallet type, select where this wallet is on. For example, this can be Binance, Kraken, Coinbase, or if it's something like Phantom Wallet, then you want to select a non-custodial wallet. And then you can just give it a name so that you can recognize it. Then you may need to verify it's you if you have 2FA turned on. Now I already have a few connected, so I'll just select my Coinbase right here and click confirm. Then choose how much you want to withdraw, and from there go and click on withdraw and again confirm it, and then it will be on its way to that wallet. So that's how to withdraw from Crypto.com to an external wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.